Hello, welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk to you about what to wear when making your videos. Quite simply, cameras are getting better now, but some items of clothing can cause problems with the lens. So if the frame rate's high enough and the quality is high enough, then you can usually get away with it, but in some cases you will get distortion from clothing. We always say the best thing to do is, if you can, wear branded clothing, because branded clothing obviously shows off your brand, gives you a little bit more input into your video. But things to avoid are things like stripy shirts. Stripy shirts can cause problems because they can make the lens dance. You may see, if I move around a little bit, that you'll get a kind of shimmery effect, or some kind of lighting or changing and shifting from the lens. Other items to avoid are checked shirts. Checked shirts can be just as bad. They can make the lens dance as well. And basically, the tighter the checks, usually the worse it is. So I'll show you one of them now. So tight checks are really they can be worse than this. This is white on blue, so it's not so bad, but you might still see some shimmering if I move about and stuff. So what we say to people is avoid tight checks, avoid checks, tight stripes, polka dots. I haven't got a polka dot shirt, so I can't get changed in one of them. But one of the most important things that we do say to people is, ladies, if you're going to have a professional shoot done, try avoid wearing a dress. We have nowhere to stick the mic pack. It's really quite awkward when we have to put it on your bra strap. So basically, there's a few tips of what to wear and what not to wear when you're making your videos, yeah? If you've got any questions, use the comment section. If you want to find out anything about video marketing, give us a call. We're happy to help. And if you want to see more videos like this, then like, follow, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. The things I do for this bloody business, mate.
What are you on about? I said you didn't have to wear heels, but you insisted.